Hello friends, welcome to Gatomination. In this video, I will be finding out the Z parameters of a lattice network which is symmetrical as well as reciprocal. So let's begin. First of all, I will write down the equation of Z parameters which is V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Now if I put I2 is equal to 0 in this, if I put the current I2 that is entering terminal 2 equal to 0, then we get V1 is equal to Z11 I1 and hence Z11 will be equal to V1 upon I1. Similarly, V2 is equal to Z21 I1. Therefore, Z21 will be equal to V2 upon I1. Fine. Since I2 is equal to 0, no current will enter through this terminal and no current will leave through this terminal. Hence, the current I1 will flow through this path as well as this path. And since both the path have equal impedances, that is ZA plus ZB and ZA plus ZB, so the current I1 will get split into two equal parts, that is I1 by 2 and I1 by 2. So I1 by 2 will flow through here and I1 by 2 will flow through here. So we get I1 over here. Now by applying KVL through this path, we get V1 minus I1 by 2 into ZA minus I1 by 2 into ZB is equal to 0. Hence V1 is equal to I1 into ZA plus ZB by 2. So V1 upon I1, which is equal to Z11, is equal to ZA plus ZB upon 2. Similarly, we have to apply KVL through this path. The current flowing through here is I1 by 2. So we get V2 minus ZB into I1 by 2 plus ZA into I1 by 2 is equal to 0. Hence V2 is equal to I1 into ZB minus ZA upon 2. Therefore V2 upon I1, which is equal to Z21, will be equal to ZB minus ZA upon 2. Now to find out Z12 and Z22, we have to put I1 is equal to 0. So we get V1 is equal to Z12 into I2. Therefore Z12 will be equal to V1 upon I2. Similarly V2 is equal to Z22 into I2 and hence Z22 is equal to V2 upon I2. Since I have put I1 is equal to 0, I2 will flow through this path as well as this path and hence I2 will be leaving through this terminal. And since both the circuit have equal impedance, that is ZA plus ZB and ZA plus ZB, so the current gets divided into two equal parts, that is I2 by 2 and I2 by 2. Over here also I2 by 2. So by applying KVL in this path, we get V2 minus ZB into I2 upon 2 minus ZA into I2 upon 2 is equal to 0. Hence V2 is equal to I2 into ZA plus ZB upon 2. Therefore V2 upon I2, which is equal to Z22, will be equal to ZA plus ZB upon 2. Now let's apply KVL over this path. So V1 minus ZB into I2 by 2 plus ZA into I2 by 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore V1 is equal to I2 into ZB minus ZA upon 2. Hence V1 upon I2, which is equal to Z12, will be equal to ZB minus ZA upon 2. Hence, in matrix form, the Z parameters of a lattice network can be given as Z is equal to ZA plus ZB by 2, which is Z11, ZB minus ZA by 2, which is Z12, again ZB minus ZA by 2, which is Z21, and finally ZA plus ZB by 2, which is Z22. I would suggest that you memorize these formulas rather than deriving it every time. If you found the video useful, do give it a like and share it with your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe to Gate Amination for more such content. Thank you.